The sticky note wall. What would you do without it? Teams rely on it to get work done and keep everyone on the same page. But what if there was a better way? It's time to evolve your sticky note wall without losing what you love about it. Meet the Nureva Wall and Span Workspace. Together, they give you the collaborative tools you need to accelerate your processes. The Nureva Wall combines an interactive touch surface with an ultra-short throw projector to create a ton of working space. You get the same advanced touch technology found in the latest smartphones. And it's modular, so multiple walls can be combined to suit any space. The Nureva Wall is powered by Span Workspace, a cloud-based solution that lets groups collaborate using their devices and displays, no matter where they are. With Span Workspace, you have unlimited canvases to visualize ideas. You also have all your familiar tools, notes, sketches, and more. Add links and annotate over images. Create custom templates and share screens. Work together in real time. Want to speed up daily stand-up meetings? Or are you trying to make planning sessions with large groups more collaborative? Maybe you're part of a student project team that needs help to stay on track. Or you just want to pull up other applications on a giant touchscreen. Even if you're not in the room, you stay connected. In your home office or when you're traveling for work. You can also use your interactive displays to connect regional offices around the world. No matter where you are, you'll see everything, and so will the rest of your team. Any collaborative process, any team, any space, the Nureva Wall and Span Workspace make working together better. Ready to get started?